Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 8 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the battery. Now let's tap on battery percentage, and as you can see here we've got three different options. Probably you've got this one applied, so do not show, you've got only the battery indicator. You can tap on next to battery icon and your device will display the percentage immediately. You can also display it inside the battery icon, so it is still visible, however it is much smaller than in the previous option, so just choose the option which is the most comfortable for you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.